Hello friends, today we are taking 10th series. In the 10th series, the questions, how the questions asked in the competitive examinations like banking, TET, Group 1, Group 2, VRA, VRO, banking, railway and other competitive examinations. Earlier, I have taken the basic English. From those I have taken three series. Simple present tense. From that, I have taken two series. Present continuous tense. From that, I have taken two series. Present perfect tense. From that, I have taken two series. And present perfect tense, this is the 10th series. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में 10th सीरीज अपन ले रहे हैं. सी हियर, माय मदर हैज बीन टॉकिंग हिंदी. मेरी माँ हिंदी बात कर रही हैं. डैश फॉर 2 आवर्स. यहाँ पर फ्रॉम आता की, फॉर आता की, इन आता की, आइन आता. माय मदर हैज बीन टॉकिंग हिंदी फॉर 2 आवर्स. फॉर, here you should write down the answer for. Don't write down from. You can write from, but it is wrong. You write down for. I have told since, for, how to use. Second question, has parrot, third person singular है. Has parrot dash flying in the sky. Has parrot, क्या था यहाँ पर डैश, which will become, what we should fill up. Has parrot been, it is been. Has parrot been flying in the sky. Here continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Now third one, the committee, it is a third person singular है. The committee dash been taking decision. हैव आता की, हैज आता की, सी आता की, इज आता. द कमिटी, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है. द कमिटी हैज, द कमिटी हैज आना चाहिए यहाँ पर, एच. द कमिटी हैज बिन टेकिंग डिसीजन. कमिटी डिसीजन ले रही है. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज बीन मीटिंग. The Prime Minister has been meeting dash ministers. The Prime Minister has been meeting. What should it come? Yes, SOM some आता की, SUM some आता की, ये minister आता, ministers आता की, and ministers. So some ministers, SOME some, थोड़े मिनिस्टरों को. प्राइम मिनिस्टर थोड़े मिनिस्टरों को मिल रहे हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर थोड्या मिनिस्टर्सना भेटू लागले आहेत. यानी पहिल्यापासून भेटू लागले, आत्ताही भेटू लागले आहेत. पहिलेसे ముందుటి నుంచి ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, కొన్ని మినిస్టర్లకు కలుస్తున్నారు, ఇంకా కలుస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. దానికి అర్థము. హియర్ జోకర్స్ హ్యావ్ బిన్, जोकर्स एक से ज्यादा है. जोकर्स हैव बिन डैश इन सर्कस सिंस 9 o'clock. जोकर्स हैव बिन डैश इन सर्कस सिंस 9 o'clock. जोकर्स हैव बिन, यहाँ पर एक्ट्स आता की, एक्टेड आता की, एक्टिंग आता की, एक्ट आता. जोकर्स हैव बिन एक्टिंग. C is your answer. Jokers have been acting. Now question number third, government dash been announcing rewards and prizes to the police personnel. गवर्नमेंट एक ही है, गवर्नमेंट अपन गवर्नमेंट एक ही है, इसलिए हैज आना चाहिए. यस, गवर्नमेंट हैज, बी इज योर आंसर. मगर गवर्नमेंट हैव नहीं आना, दिस इज रॉन्ग. Government has been announcing rewards to the police personnel. Like this, you write down the question answers. Now friends, take seventh one. She, third person singular. She has been laughing. उन्हों हंस रही हैं. Dash them on road like officer. She has been laughing. To आता की, in आता की, at आता की, off आता. She has been laughing at at. It is C is your answer. She has been laughing at them on road like a officer. Next one. Eighth one. Dash. Country has been attacking on Ukraine. अपन when country आता की, who country आता की, which country आता की, what country आता. यहाँ पर we are taking the country which is no life. That is why which I have told while I am telling which किस तरह से उपयोग करना चाहिए. I have taken earlier also. That is why don't be confused yourself. Which country? WHICH. कोणता देश? ఏ దేశము? C is your answer. ఏ దేశము యుక్రెయిన్ మీద अटॅक చేస్తున్నది? कोणता देश युक्रेनवर अटॅक करू लागला आहे? यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Child has been eating junk food instead dash traditional food. Child, only one is there, third person singular. Child has been eating junk food instead dash traditional food. At आता की, from वस्तुंदा, whether we can use of or on. What should we use here? C is your answer. Of, instead of, बदलू, के बजाय. बच्चा क्या कर रहा? ट्रेडिशनल फूड के बजाय जंक फूड खा रहा है. चाइल्ड काय करू लागला? आपण जे हमेशा खातो त्याच्या अतिरिक्त ते सोडून त्याच्या ऐवजी, इनस्टेड ऑफ म्हणजे काय, च्या ऐवजी జంక్ ఫుడ్ खाऊ लागला आहे. పిల్లవాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? ట్రెడిషనల్ ఫుడ్ బదులు జంక్ ఫుడ్ తింటున్నాడు. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ answer. Now next. They have been discussing dash. They have been discussing dash themselves. They have been discussing उनो एक से ज्यादा. यहाँ पर आंसर व्हाट इज योर आंसर? बिटवीन आता की, बिसाइड आता की, अमॉन्गस्ट आता की, बिसाइड्स आता. यहाँ पर they have been discussing between themselves. It is wrong. It is wrong. beside भी नहीं आता. amongst एक से ज्यादा है इसलिए among, amongst themselves. उनो, उनका, उनको, उनो ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళదే వాళ్ళు డిస్కషన్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఇంకా చేస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. ఇలా మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో వస్తాయి. కాబట్టి be careful about your competitive exam. This is a series. Now next one. What is the next? Here you have been staying, रहना. You have been staying in Punjab. तुम पंजाब में रह रहे हैं. डैश 20th April 2021. यहाँ पर फार आता की, सीन्स आता की, फ्रॉम आता की, आउन आता. तुम ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्रॉम लिखते. दैट इज वाई इट इज रॉन्ग. डोंट राइट डाउन फ्रॉम. सीन्स आई हैव टोल्ड ऑलरेडी. सीन्स yes I, this is your answer. Means point of time. यहाँ पर point he is showing 20th April. What is the exact time? That is what I am showing this one. Now dash army. एक ही आर्मी, ये आर्मी है. dash army been patrolling in communal violence areas. पर which is your answer? इज आता कि, हैज आता कि, आर आता कि, हैव आता। आर तो नहीं चाहता फ्रेंड्स, इट इज रॉन्ग, दैट इज वाई हैव भी नहीं आता। वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट सिंगुलर। हैज आर्मी, इट इज योर आंसर, हैज आर्मी, हैज आर्मी पेट्रोलिंग इन communal violence. Next, committee, the finance minister, एक ही है, finance minister has been presenting budget dash presence of speaker, finance minister has been presenting budget पर in presence of, in आना चाहिए, in presence of, I have told these are the phrases, in presence of, in absence of, sometimes they ask like this phrases also, that is why you be careful about your study. Man has been dash dogs for 20 years, man has been, man क्या कर रहे, यहाँ ग्रेजिंग आता कि, टेमिंग आता कि, गोइंग आता कि, वर्किंग आता। मैन हैज बिन टेमिंग, पालना, बी इज యువర్ ఆన్సర్। टेमिंग అంటే పోషించడం, 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 पालना, सांभाल करने, सांभाल करने यानी पोसने, लाइक दिस, TAME, TAME, टेम, TAMED, टेम्ड, TAMED, टेम्ड, like this friends, you subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it, comment also. Thanks friends.